The Bible says that in hell, the bed is made of worms, where the fire does not go out, and the worm does not die. When Jesus speaks about hell, he says, "If your eye causes you to stumble, pluck it out. If your hand causes you to stumble, cut it off." In other words, give up whatever it takes, just don't go there. Let go of whatever you must, but don't end up there. No requests will be answered in hell, only in life. After death, there is no more help. In heaven, there is no thirst, but in hell, there is unquenchable thirst. In heaven, there is no pain, but in hell, there are agonizing screams. You'll go to hell if you choose to. The devil cannot take everyone to hell, but most are heading there because life is about choices. Hell is worse than you can imagine. Although people often say, so-and-so is resting in peace, they are not. Many think they are resting in peace, but there are countless souls there now crying out for God's help again. I repeat,